So you're finally going to St. Martin but don't know where to stay? Sapphire Beach Club has it all. Coming up.
Where are we going next? Let's go.
Sapphire Beach Club is located in Kapakoi Bay, just past Mullet Bay. It is on a cliff that overlooks the ocean, and Kapakoi Beach is really a small, tiny little patch of sand, and it's a more cliff type area, but it does offer extremely great views overlooking the Caribbean Sea. You can watch the cruise ships come in as they're coming into port. You can see the planes coming in for landing from afar, and then you're really a walkable distance down to Mullet Bay. So it's a great area, and it's also very accessible to get over to the French side of the island. Now, what I will say about Kapakoi Beach area, it is developing, meaning that they were doing a lot of building when we were there. They had built a brand new shopping center that didn't even have tenants in it yet when we were visiting. This is also very close to the medical college that is located on the island. So you tend to have a lot of students, a lot of coffee shops, and a younger vibe in this area as well. So cost per night at Sapphire Beach Club is about $200 per night for a studio suite. What I loved about their studio suites is they had the doors, like the pocket doors that slid across, so you could have a little bit of privacy and darkness. You didn't have the sun coming in and waking you up too early if you partied a little too late the night before. The staff was extremely friendly. If you had special requests, the housekeeping staff was on point, super friendly, very accommodating. The activities director was one of my favorite people, and I forget his name, but he was just a spunk of energy. Anytime you came in or out, when you were headed to your room, he would welcome you back with a smile, try to, get you engaged in whatever activities were going on that evening for the people staying at the resort, and just tried to get to know you on a personal level. So the staff was extremely friendly, and that above anything else is why I would recommend staying at this resort. Sapphire does have unique accommodations. They had the studio suites like we stayed in, but they also had all the way up to these villas that sat right down on the ocean front. So you had a wide variety of accommodations available to choose from. We really loved the way that it was a little bit quieter where we were staying. Sapphire Beach and Kopakoi Beach area is a little quieter than, say, DV and Flamingo Beach in the Simpson area. Those tend to be a lot more touristy and a lot busier. So we really enjoyed staying at Sapphire Beach Club because it was a little quieter, and we really enjoyed walking down to Mullet Bay every single day to go swimming. So if you'd like to check out Sapphire Beach Club, I put their link down in the comments below so you can check them out, book your accommodations, and if you have questions, please be sure to hit me up because I'm happy to answer any questions you may have about this awesome resort. If you found value today, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and consider subscribing because I come out with new content every single week and you don't want to miss a thing. Thank you for watching the Traveling Chzhed. Until next time, travel safe.
Where are we going next? Let's go.